I have a repair shop that mends all sorts of items. And I will be at your service anytime. I am just a call away for repairing any sort of items. Hello! Hello, Handyman's Repair Shop. How can I help you? There is a fan in my room and it's not working properly. Can you fix it? I have no clue what's wrong with this fan. Can you repair it? Yeah, sure. It's my job. Can I get your house address? We'll text you, handyman. Don't worry. Alright then, we'll be there soon. Okay. Let's arrange the toolbox. Fabulous. Fantastic. Brilliant. Amazing. Wow. Hi. Hello, Mr. Jack. You ever had any problem till date? No, not at all. Okay then, we'll fix it in a few minutes. Switch it off. Pretty. Tap on the fan. Remove the screws. Awesome. Superb. Tap on the... That's great. Pretty. Tap on the fan. Well done. Impressive. Brilliant. Fab. Tap on the wires. That's wonderful. Tap on the capacitor. Tap on the... Superb. Remove the screws. Good job. Lovely. That's perfect. Remove the screws. Fantastic. Nice. Wonderful. Fabulous. Terrific. Excellent. Terrific. Amazing. Well done. Remove the parts. Remove the spring. Remove the spring. Remove. Love it. Now remove the bearing. Unbelievable. Good one. Remove the dust with the help of the... Fix the parts with the help of the... Lovely. Put the spring... Very good. Put the... Very good. Join the wings. Amazing! Too good! Amazing! Terrific! Pretty! Terrific! Pretty! Fantastic! Nice! Excellent! Awesome! Fantastic! Good one! Terrific! Impressive! Brilliant! Fantastic! Very good! Amazing! Impressive! Unbelievable! Fabulous! Love it! Put the parts, tag the regulator. Love it! Pretty! It's my pleasure. Amazing! Hello! Hello, Handyman's Repair Shop. How can I help you? Oh, I see. Can you come down and fix it? Don't worry, I will be there in no time. Can I note down your address? We'll message you, don't worry. Okay, see you then. I need to arrange my toolbox before leaving. Can you help me to arrange all the tools properly? Let's arrange the toolbox. Love it! Fabulous! That's perfect! That's great! That's great! Too good! Glad to see you, Handyman. I am all set to repair your washing machine. Turn off the switch. Great. Remove the plug. That's great. Very good. Remove the broken belt. Genius! Put the new one! Wonderful! Spin the wheel to fix it. That's great! Fix the pipe! Join the pieces. great! Great! Too good! Terrific! Fabulous! That's perfect! Spin the wheel to fix it. Too good! Plug it again! Amazing! Switch it on? Genius! Open the door of the machine! That's great! Close the door! Put some detergent into it! Add some stain remover. Perfect! Switch on the machine! Brilliant! Nice! Close the door. Superb! Genius! Excellent! This machine is working as smoothly as before. Thank you, handyman. It's my pleasure. Fantastic! Hello! Hello, Handyman's Repair Shop. How can I help you? We can fix that too, ma'am. Can you come as soon as possible? Thank you so much. I need to arrange my toolbox before leaving. Can you help me to arrange all the tools properly? Let's arrange the toolbox. Fabulous! Amazing! Nice! That's great! Superb! Very good! Hi. Don't worry, ma'am. We'll fix it. Rotate the regulator. Put the vessel aside. Switch off the knob. Wow! Switch it off. Remove the... Excellent! Fabulous! Remove the parts carefully. Remove the screws. Perfect! Fabulous! Fantastic! Join the broken pieces. Apply the glue to stick it. Repeat the same process. Great! Great! Awesome! Lovely! Awesome! Love it! Brilliant! Fabulous! Awesome! Love it! Amazing! Place the burner cap back. Remove the dirt from it. Impressive! Superb! Nice! Amazing! Amazing! Put back the stove parts. Perfect! Too good! Wow! Well done! Put back the pan support. Too good! Very good! Plug it in. Switch it on. Good job! Switch on the knob. Put the vessel back. Switch on the regulator. Sounds amazing, handyman. Thank you so much. Excellent.